Mina Kids TV.
One, two, three, four, five. Counting makes us feel alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's start counting once again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Numbers dancing bright and clean. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Counting fun, we've got plenty. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We love to count, we jump and jive. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We're so smart and oh so wordy. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Numbers help our brains to thrive. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Counting high, we feel sporty. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and numbers more. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Net hooray, we did it, oh so nifty. Nifty.
Thank you for watching and subscribe, like and share.